Welcome back to Alan's Yummy Food Stories. So today guys we're gonna make a really good oats apple smoothie with chocolate bars. So now we got the ingredients here. We got a cup of frozen milk here. Next guys we got some candy bars, 8 chocolate bars, 2 chocolate bars. Got some apples, which I chopped a single apple. Got some cup of oatmeal or oats. Then we got a few cashews. Then after that we got some tutti frutti, and then we got some water. Not only that, we got some vanilla extract also, as you can see. So first you must place the apples, the oats and the cashews in a blender and pour some water and make them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that blend them all up. Next after that add some chocolate bars and then add a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget the vanilla extract. So next blend them all like this. Add 1 cup of frozen milk and then after that repeat the same blending process. So now the smoothie is complete. Now we gotta add some garnishing. So next we gotta add some tutti fruttis, and this is the final step here. Add some enough tutti fruttis. So now after adding lots of tutti fruttis, we got a delicious smoothie. So now I'm gonna taste test it. So now guys I'm going to taste test this apple oat smoothie filled with chocolate bars. Now the smoothie is finally finished. Now I'm going to taste this. Wow, the smoothie tastes so good. So the smoothie is really great and also is really healthy. So I like this a lot. Also, this is my most favorite smoothie and I want to drink this one. So guys, my conclusion here is that the smoothie tastes really good, so healthy. Also it's really good if you want to have it in summer, winter or even in the autumn times. So this smoothie is very easy to make and also it will be worth it for you guys. So if you like this recipe, if you like seeing this video, then try this recipe out for yourself and also leave your opinion in the comment section below. So now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, subscribe and click on the bell notifications for more amazing and beautiful and delicious videos like this one. And also don't forget to share this with your families and friends. And also if you also have any suggestions, also leave that in the comment section below. And with that out of the way, bye guys, bye.